Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Sorry, I'm kind of late on recording right now, but more or less, I am changing a camshaft positioning sensor on a 01 Ford Explorer, right? And the camshaft sensor is literally right under the coils. Right under the coils is the camshaft. So what I had to do is I had to take out the coil box. It's basically a housing on top of it. Connects here, here, and here. And now I'm able to access it. These wires, you can just move. Fuel line is right here. See, look, I didn't even see that, but look. There's a little slit in the fuel line, right? Which is not good. I'm pretty sure I'm getting gas leaking out of that. So that's got to get fixed. And I'm changing the camshaft sensor right now. Take out these two 5.5 millimeter bolts, and then we'll put the new one in. I'll show you in a second. All right, and it's pretty much a cap, so I wanted to show you guys how I take it out. Right, these screws, like I said, it's 5.5 millimeters. I'm guessing they come all the way out. Or they could stay on the top, but they come all the way out, so. And I'm guessing if the other ones don't fit, I'll just replace these, but man, there's a bunch of rust on this. So I should have threw some WD, but it's not really that bad, you know, whatever. And gotta figure out how to actually take this off in a second. I'm bending this side to side, nothing. I'm probably gotta use a screwdriver, but you get the point. So I had to wiggle it out, guys. It's literally right there. See, let me see the little clock spring thing. I guess that's what's telling it what position is at. And I guess this one wasn't reading. And it's pretty much just a magnet, guys. So, you know, the new one's gonna go right here. Put the new one on in a second and screw it back in. But that's pretty much what you're looking for, guys. So, if it doesn't come out directly, it's because you have to wiggle it. This is the original one from Ford. So, all right, let me see. I'll show you the aftermarket one I got. Whatever. So, standard T-Series, right? Quality Automotive. That's literally, oh look, part number PC321T. Sensor, yep. It's the same sensor, I already checked it. But, if you had a view of it, that's how it comes. This one is silver, and it has, well, I thought it had some screws. Oh, it's in the box. Boom, exactly. Same exact screws, but they don't come with the washer, so look at that. Take out the washers, switch them, and place them back on. Pretty simple, right? Goes from black to now. Hopefully this one works better. Well, it works, period. All right, pretty much. You see it's connected down there, already it's tight. And then I put up the bracket, and that's pretty much the job done. Camshaft position sensor switched. Original, and that's it right there. So not that hard, guys, but you need a 5.5 millimeter bolt, long extension ratchet, 13 millimeters for the sockets. I mean the bolts around this, and then 10 millimeter for the side wrench. That's it, man. You guys can do it. Let's do it. Come on, y'all. 5.0 liter 2001 Ford Explorer.